Alright, this guy can't figure out go forward or go back yet. So we're just sort of watching. The guy who works here had to come by and try to explain to him, but obviously that didn't help. Oh, here he comes. Here comes the help. This guy doesn't understand drive ahead. There's a little gimmick and you have to get your front tire into, and it says back up or go forward with those indicators right there. Right there and right there. They're lit up, so I don't know how. Maybe that's just a different color or something. I think he's gonna get it. He's trying so hard. At least it was good. So we're trying.
Hi.
Hey.
So did you just punch in your code?
I haven't done anything.
Nope, I'm
waiting
on
to see
this.
if he figures it out.
It's getting close. Oh!
No!
Yeah!
Yay!
Oh, Jesus Christ! I was gonna stop the video. Oh, this is too fun. I'm glad I didn't stop it right there. Okay, so he did back up, so he did do what the thing told him to do. Alright.
I don't think he understands that the tire needs to be on that thing.
Yeah. Okay, why does it say stop? Is it just gonna go to him now?
Oh my god. Oh, it's starting.
Okay, I don't even know what to say now.
He wasted too much time now the
Is he gonna go-
vacuum's on.
Is he gonna go around? Did you tell him to go around because you're a dum-dum?
Oh my god.
Wait, no, here he goes. Wait. Oh. Okay.
Alrighty. So his car wash just went to waste. So you can go ahead and use it now. He's gonna look around. So you go ahead and use it.
Okay. Thank you.
Man, we could have used it.
And that is how you car wash.